Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. It's that special time of year when everything has to be covered in tinsel and flashing lights. So I thought before going to this month's RC meets we'd decorate the Hercules Hobbies reefer. It's very much going to be a last minute thing. I'm actually recording the video for this the night before heading out to the Midlands meet. Anyway, from the popular Christmas shop called Poundland we have some tinsel. I did seriously underestimate how much we'd need, but I'm sure we can make it work out. From Argos I have some LED lights. Now they didn't cost too much, and for wrapping the trailer they're pretty much ideal. There's 200 LEDs in there with 4 colours, and the best bit though is they run off 3 AA's and can do various blinking patterns. They should certainly stand out if nothing else. So here's the plan. I've got some blue electrical tape, which should stick well enough, but safely peel off without leaving marks behind. There's just short of 12 meters of LEDs, so we should be able to do 5 runs per side, with some left over to run along the bottom. I'm not going to be too careful about the mounting, literally just taping them on at the ends, then a little bit extra in the middle just to control the sag. Turns out there was enough left over to run all the way to the front and back again along the bottom, but that makes it easy to find a spot for the control box. With a little bit more tape, it's going to happily live where the spare tyres go. If we power up for a quick test, we can see they're going to be suitably obnoxious. They do have a fast fading mode rather than straight flashing, which is nice. You still get the animation without them being quite so distracting. Tinsel next, and I'm going to do something similar. There's not enough to completely cover the trailer, so I'm just going to do 3 runs around and pop the last length on the roof, all taped down with some more electrical tape. Now if we power it up again, yep, I think that'll do. Not too dreadful for a quick rig done just before going to bed. Okay, here we are then at the Midlands meet. Now unfortunately I did forget my video camera, so these clips have all been recorded on my phone. I think considering the materials we had, the trailer came out okay. It's definitely festive. Also at the meet was this monster. If you've looked at pictures from other meets, you'll have most likely come across it. It's a multi-unit rig with steering on just about all the parts. It took a while to set up, as you can imagine, and driving it did look like an exercise in dexterity. It's very cool, if a little bit impractical with the Christmas traffic. Next, a couple of weeks later, we're at the Swindon meet, complete with fake snow to really set the scene. It looked lovely, but by the end of the day it had made it all over the hall, right out of the doors, and there was even some traces outside, and I've still got some tyre tracks on the back seats of my car. Thanks goes to the guys and girls who organise, set up and tear down the layouts. A lot of effort goes into it, and without it a lot of us would still be driving around car parks, or the trucks would just be shelf queens. Right, I'll leave any good footage running and say Merry belated Christmas, Happy Holidays or whatever's appropriate, and in a couple of days Happy New Year. As always, leave a like if you liked, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a message if there's something on your mind. Bye guys!
Is it a Renault?
Yeah, similar. Oh yeah, that's